You know what is beautiful? A simple life. In a world obsessed with more money, more likes, more everything. It's easy to forget the beauty of less. A simple life doesn't mean settling. It means being free from endless chase, free from comparing, free from weight of always wanting what someone else has. The truth is, the more you own, the more it owns you. The weight of wanting more steals your peace. Don't let the chaos of this world drown out the beauty of simple life.